Hi, it's me, Calvin, from Calvin and Caden, and today I have this car. I bought it today from the range. Yeah, and then I'm gonna play with it. Here's a picture of it. You can also carry it from air. So I've been carrying it from the shops with Mummy and Daddy. It's also a remote control, not like my Scorpion. I thought it was a remote control, but it wasn't, so it's just a waste of £12. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna open it up. So, okay, could you please pass me the thingy, Mitchie? And this is Caden.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. And as I said, I'm Calvin.
What thingy majig?
You know the screwdriver and stuff?
I'll get it. Let's hope it's triple A's. Because we have two triple A's.
Imagine if it isn't.
I know. I think it just one.
And our cousin is coming around still.
So do we have double A's? Hope so. Wait, do we just have? Oh, Mummy, we need double A's. 5 double A's for this big boy. Oh yeah, 4 in one pack. Extra one. Boom, shakalaka. Calvin, this is the old trick I used.
I don't really think you should do that. Okay, yeah, okay. I have it now. Yay!
Well, it still works. Don't it? Oh,
Okay,
oh I think there's.
where's the other one?
What other one? This one?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we need to just. It's finally on, and we didn't know it had
We
lights.
finished it.
Yeah.
It's so cool as well.
Well, it's really worth it for £20.
Yeah. Let me just get these bitsy. Wow.
So yeah. It's just really cool.
Yeah. Can it even go?
I never knew it had a light.
Well, for some reason it says on the back of the thingy. So.
Oh yeah.
Okay, look at this. Look at this big boy. No, not so far. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe.